Let's trim our video. First, to trim it, select your video and select this selection tool V and hover over the beginning of your video clip until you see this red icon, this arrow. Now just select it and trim it, and it will trim the video from the left side. If you want to trim from the right side, just do the same, do this and trim like this. If you want to be precise, position your playhead and trim it, for example, over here, and it will snap to your playhead if you want to be precise. Okay, I will now undo with Ctrl Z everything and show you how to cut. Use this over here razor tool or C on your keyboard. Click it and just choose where you want to cut. For example, I want to cut over here and I want to cut it over here. And now I will go back to selection tool so I can move my clips away. Okay, and now if I delete this middle part with delete, it will leave empty space. So I will undo, and if you go shift and delete, it will delete it and glue these together. And this is it. I hope you find this quick tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.